In order to function well, our immune system requires balance and harmony. We'll be discussing the top ways to promote that balance through diet, exercise, supplements, and other healthy living strategies. 1. Remember your ABCDEs. A lack of micronutrients, i.e., vitamins, has been linked to reduced immunity. Taking a multivitamin supplement along with eating a healthy diet rich in natural sources of nutrients boosts overall health as well as the immune system. In particular, vitamins A, B2, B6, C, D, and E have been studied in relation to immune response and seem to play a key role in helping us avoid illness. You'll get the best mineral intake from fruits and vegetables, so make sure to include them in your diet aplenty. 2. Get some sun. Spending some time in sunlight is one of the key ways our bodies manufacture vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a role in helping our immune systems produce antibodies. Low levels of vitamin D, on the other hand, have been correlated with a higher risk of respiratory infection. Just make sure to apply sun cream if you're headed out on a particularly sunny day. 3. Practice stress reduction. Stress has so many faces. Of course, work and life stress are traditional stress factors, but our bodies also perceive food intolerances and allergies as stressors, along with exposure to toxins and other environmental factors. Excessive exercise can also cause stress in the body. Whenever we're stressed, no matter what the cause, we're engaging the sympathetic nervous system. This leads to the release of cortisol, which our bodies perceive to be necessary during stress. Excessive production of cortisol can leave our adrenals depleted and leave us in a weakened state. Cortisol clamps down immune function to prioritize stress management and keep us alive. Incorporating stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, exercise, self-care practices, and anything else that allows you to relax can all be helpful in mitigating the damaging effects of stress, especially on the immune system. 4. Try turmeric. The bright orange-yellow spice that gives curries a distinct flavor and mustard its color has a whole host of health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and there's increasing evidence that it helps prevent illness too. Extracts of turmeric seem to play a role in preventing cancer, slowing Alzheimer's, and alleviating arthritis pain. 5. Run a relaxing bath. A nice hot bath with Epsom salt or relaxing aromatherapy scents can go a long way toward reducing our stress and making us sleepy. Sleep is one of the key ways our bodies repair themselves, and sleep deprivation activates the stress response, depresses immune function, and elevates inflammatory chemicals. Just don't fall asleep in the bath. That wouldn't be ideal. 6. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables, as well as fruits, nuts, and seeds, are loaded with nutrients that we need to keep our immune systems in top health. In particular, cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, kale, and broccoli help support liver function, a key part of our body's natural detoxification process. 7. Micromanage your minerals. In addition to a range of vitamins, it's important to get enough, but not too much, of key minerals that are important to daily health. Selenium, found in pork, beef, turkey, chicken, fish, shellfish, and eggs, may help prevent cancer. And zinc, found in whole grains, milk products, oysters, and red meat, is a critical ingredient for the proper function of our immune cells. However, experts caution that too much zinc can actually impair immune function, so it's important to stick to the recommended daily allowance. 8. Eat plenty of mushrooms. Certain types of mushrooms, particularly Japanese mushrooms, have recently been shown to help support the production of immune cells. They contain powerful compounds that enhance and balance your body's ability to fight disease and stay healthy. Being jam-packed with healing antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components, they can destroy infections, slow down aging, and regenerate nerve cells. 9. Try herbal remedies. Scientists are still studying the effectiveness of many herbal supplements traditionally used as health boosters, like ginseng, and whether or not they have a measurable effect on the immune system. Many people online have talked of their success in using herbal remedies for a stronger immune system, but our bodies are all so different, and one thing may not work for everyone. A few herbal remedies that are worth trying are elderberry, a dark violet berry containing immune-boosting benefits. Research shows that elderberry can reduce the duration and severity of symptoms of the common cold. Echinacea, a pretty purple flower grown primarily in North America. When used medicinally, it can help decrease the duration and severity of colds and other upper respiratory infections when taken at the onset of symptoms. Osha root, an herb that has long been used by Native Americans for a variety of ailments. Recent research has found that osha root may boost immunity while also protecting cells from oxidative damage. Of course, you should always talk to a doctor before making herbal treatments a regular part of your arsenal. 10. Spice up your cooking. Pungent but tasty garlic and ginger are both delicious immune-boosting additions to the family diet. Raw garlic in particular contains antimicrobial and cancer-fighting agents, and ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat nausea, colds, and flu symptoms. If you don't do a lot of cooking with garlic and ginger, now's the time to start. A cup of ginger tea made from boiling a small knob of ginger in hot water is an incredibly soothing beverage to drink when you're feeling under the weather. 11. Keep on moving. Movement and adequate daily exercise is really important when it comes to building a strong and healthy immune system. It can also help to improve cardiovascular health, mood, and help with weight management. While it's not fully understood why, it may be that exercise contributes by promoting good circulation, which allows the cells and substances of the immune system to move through the body freely and do their job efficiently, along with improving our antibody response to infection. Exercise can also boost your body's feel-good chemicals, which will help you sleep better. This is also great for the immune system. Go for a walk, lift weights at the gym, do yoga, run, dance. Find something that you love that can be a part of your regular routine. If you feel that your immune system is working to fight something off, be sure to opt for exercise and movement that's more restorative and not stressful to your body. 12. Consider taking probiotics. Probiotics, or good bacteria, are not only an important part of a healthy digestive process, but also our immune systems, though scientists are still studying exactly how and why this happens. A study on athletes found that probiotic supplements helped prevent and combat colds. You can also get plenty of probiotics from your diet by eating a wide array of fermented foods such as yogurt, cultured vegetables, miso, and apple cider vinegar. 13. Eat chicken soup. Chicken soup is an age-old remedy for a good reason. The combination of rich and hearty bone broth, nutrient-rich vegetables, and healing herbs and spices help to nourish your body and boost your immunity. Bone broth is a powerful tonic made from simmering bones to brew up a tasty and nourishing broth. Add a variety of colorful vegetables such as garlic, leeks, carrots, celery, and leafy greens such as kale to ensure you're boosting your vitamin C and antioxidant levels, both important factors in a strong immune system. 14. Stock up on dark chocolate. As if you ever needed an excuse to eat more chocolate, dark chocolate contains an antioxidant called theobromine, which may help to boost the immune system by protecting the body's cells from free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that the body produces when it breaks down food or comes into contact with pollutants. They can damage the body's cells and may contribute to disease. Unfortunately, we need to remember that despite its potential benefits, dark chocolate is high in calories and saturated fat, so it's important to eat it in moderation. And it has to be dark chocolate too. Milk chocolate is nowhere near as good for you. 15. Avoid sugar. Regular consumption of sugar can weaken your immune system enough to impair its ability to fight off infections. Sugar is a major disruptor and destroyer of the immune system and can temporarily impair the function of white blood cells, even in the healthiest of people. Also, vitamin C and glucose have similar molecular structures and chemical makeups, and both molecules end up competing against one another to enter our blood cells. As a result, the more sugar that becomes available for uptake in the body, the less vitamin C that's allowed into the white blood cells. Be sure to consume sugary foods only in moderation. 16. Eat plenty of healthy fats. Healthy fatty acids play an important role in the inflammatory process in the body. While inflammation often gets a bad rap, it's actually the balance of the body's ability to inflame and anti-inflame that's of most importance. Inflammation, when doing its job correctly, serves an important role in our bodies, especially within the immune system. The purpose of inflammation and why we even have the ability to do it at all is healing. As you can see, boosting your immunity doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be delicious, relaxing, and fun. Following the steps mentioned in this video won't mean having to make sacrifices, and you'll feel better all over as a result of being kind to your body. Just make sure to consult a doctor before beginning any major changes to your regimen. And don't forget those medical tests and flu shots, especially for your older loved ones. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 12 home remedies to treat viral infections and boost immune response. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.